Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block specific words on Instagram using the hidden word feature. So let's get started. First, open Instagram app and tap on the profile icon. Now click on the edit profile and here in the left hand menu, you have to look for the hidden words option. Once you find it, click on it and inside this, you will see the manage custom words and phrase. So open it and then you can type in specific words you want to block, separate each word with comma. For example, I'm writing here hello and WhatsApp. So I want to block these two words and then hit on the submit button and Instagram will automatically hide comments and message containing those words. If you ever want to remove it, simply go back and just remove this and then hit on submit again. So that's it, a quick and easy way to filter out unwanted words on your Instagram account. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.